This is a 2013 Range Rover Sport. It features a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, a sunroof, a locking center differential, traction control and stability control systems, 19-inch alloy wheels, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, child safety locks, a split folding rear seat, stereo controls on the steering wheel, and this vehicle has fewer than 11,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Let us show you what over a century of inspired service has taught us.